Hi, I'm Jackson, the Chief Operating Officer of Hafary. I support the CEO and in charge of all the operations of the group. I'm at the Hafary showroom and let me bring you around. Through the various trade fairs that we have visited during the years, we have identified innovative products that we can introduce to the market. The birth of the showroom, is to help them realize the design inspiration ideas. One of my favorite spots will be the wine cellar, as it has displayed the tiles and stone in an unexpected manner. As you walk in, you may not be able to distinguish between the tiles and the stones. Another of my favorite area will be the villa. It is like a little oasis where you can relax and there are hidden drawers to discover new materials. The gallery of tiles is another great spot. Customers can see all the materials at one go and they can choose which one suits them the best. I believe the market is ready for innovative surfacing products. Hafary, as a market leader, has decided to take the lead to bring those products to the designers, architects and homeowners.